From Arkansas's breaking news leader, Fox 16 News at 5:30.
A second Board of Corrections member now being urged to step down following accusations he covered up child sexual abuse for decades. Good evening and thanks for joining us. For Fox 16 News, I'm Kevin Kelly.
I'm Donna Terrell. This comes just weeks after another board member, Jamal Jones, stepped down after it was revealed he was fired from a police department for lying about a relationship with a minor. Samantha Boyd took a closer look at the second member now under fire. And Sam, what do we know about this?
Yeah, Donna. Well, Alonza Jiles, who's a member of the Board of Corrections, was formerly the director of the Lord's Ranch, which has been under fire for some time now for child sexual abuse allegations. He's being named in a handful of the lawsuits we got our hands on today for covering up those incidents.
He was part of an enormous criminal enterprise.
A man appointed to oversee criminals in Arkansas corrections facilities facing accusations of his own in civil lawsuits filed by alleged victims of child sexual abuse that took place at the Lord's Ranch, spanning over more than 2 decades. In 3 lawsuits filed by Joshua Gillispie on behalf of 30 victims, 7 of those claimed they were sexually abused by a staff member, and Alonza Jiles knew yet did not intervene. In those cases, victims also claim the abuse went on after telling Jiles about it. Jiles now sits on the Board of Corrections.
The allegations are vivid, they're disturbing, they're horrific. It happened under Mr. Giles' watch.
Senator Ben Gilmore says he called Jiles before this interview, asking him to step down, but got no response. That call is something many legislators did just a few weeks ago with another board member, Jamal Jones, who did step down due to allegations that he'd violated the Law Enforcement Code of Ethics after an investigation into sexual misconduct with a minor.
And I'm asking Mr. Giles just to do the same thing.
Gilmore has been at odds with the board in recent months over expanding prison capacity in Arkansas, though he says this concern goes far beyond those issues.
They should do the right thing. If they have these kind of allegations against them, they should step down.
I reached out to Jiles multiple times today asking for a response to the allegations.
This is Alonza. Sorry I missed your call.
And so far have not heard back. The Jiles has filed a motion to dismiss the lawsuits. While Gilmore's focus is on Jiles stepping down, Gillispie is focused on his civil suits on the victims' behalf.
Sometimes he would be involved in punishing them for reporting it.
And if you had a message for him, would yours be as well to step down?
No, my message for him would be to step up and face the music like a man.
Jiles was appointed by former Governor Asa Hutchinson back in 2022, so I also reached out to Hutchinson today for a comment, and he's saying, quote, "The allegations became known as a result of a lawsuit filed in 2023, long after I left office and the appointment was made. Appointments are based upon recommendations for the person, their experience, and many other factors. A criminal record search is also conducted before the appointment is made. That time, there were no issues after the customary review." Reporting live from Little Rock, Samantha Boyd, Fox 16 News.